Welcome to my channel. If you love roses but fail every time you try to cut branches, then today I will share with you a unique but extremely effective secret. First, choose a rose branch that is moderately old. That is, the wood is not too young but still green inside, helping the branch to have enough nutrients and easy to root. Avoid choosing branches that are diseased or have black spots. Use sharp scissors to cut off all the leaves and sharp thorns because they will absorb water and nutrients from the branch. Then, cut the branch into pieces about 10 centimeters long. This is the ideal length for the branch to have enough energy to nourish new roots. Cut a fresh aloe vera branch about 10 centimeters long. The aloe vera flesh contains many enzymes and nutrients, such as polysaccharides, minerals, and natural antibacterial substances that help stimulate rapid root tissue growth. Submerge the base of the rose branch into the aloe vera flesh. Leave it for 15 minutes. This process helps the branch absorb the nutritious sap. At the same time, the aloe vera gel layer also creates a natural moisture-retaining membrane around the cut. Take a small plastic bottle, cut the bottom about 10 centimeters long to make a planting tray. Place a piece of foam that fits snugly in the bottom of the bottle to retain moisture and limit water leakage. On the foam, place a layer of shredded toilet paper. This layer of paper will help retain the nutrient solution longer, creating a stable, moist environment for the roots. After soaking the aloe vera, take out the branch and cut the aloe vera flesh into a clean glass jar. Add 150 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has sugar, phosphoric acid, and minerals that help stimulate strong root growth. Stir well to dissolve the aloe vera into the solution, then soak the rose branch for 15 minutes. At this time, the branch will continue to absorb nutrients and water, preparing for the rooting process. Take soft, shredded toilet paper and wrap it around the base of each rose branch to create a moisture-retaining layer. Dip the paper wrap base into the aloe vera, Coca-Cola solution, then place the branch in a plastic bottle. Use more toilet paper between the branches to secure it, avoiding shaking. Pour the solution into the bottle so that it just covers the base. Then, cover the bottle with a transparent plastic cup to create a sealed environment. Keeping the humidity high but still allowing scattered light. Place the bottle in a cool place, away from strong sunlight and wind. After about 10 days, you will see new shoots begin to sprout. The stem is sturdy and plump. At the base, young white roots grow densely, healthy, and ready to absorb nutrients. This is the golden time to move the branches to pots, using treated coconut fiber substrate to keep the roots airy and limit fungi and diseases. With this formula, you will turn seemingly discarded rose branches into vibrant flower plants. With just a little meticulousness and love for plants, your garden will always be brilliant. If you find the video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and follow the channel to see more effective rose growing tips. Today, I will share with you an extremely effective secret using a combination of lemon and tomato. Two foods that are both good for human health and a great source of nutrients for plants. First, we need to prepare a small lemon. Lemon is not only rich in vitamin C, but also contains a large amount of citric acid. This ingredient has antibacterial, antifungal effects and cleans the cut surface of rose branches, helping to limit the risk of infection. In particular, the organic acid in lemon also stimulates the formation of young roots, making the roots grow faster and stronger. Wash the lemon, peel and cut it into small pieces to easily release the essence during the blending process. Next is the tomato. A fresh tomato of about 40 grams is enough. Tomatoes are famous for their vitamin A, C, lycopene content, and many minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients act as a natural fertilizer, providing energy for the rose branch in the early stages of development, helping the young shoots grow strong and the leaves stay green. Cut the tomato into small pieces, ready for the step of blending the mixture. Once you have the lemon peel and tomato, put them all in the blender. Add about 250 milliliters of clean water, cover and blend. We will get a thick mixture, full of nutrients from these two natural ingredients. Then, pour the mixture into a clean glass cup for easy use. Now, prepare a healthy rose branch, free of pests and diseases, with moderate age for a higher rooting ability. You need to cut off all the leaves on the branch to limit water evaporation. Then cut the branch to about 20 centimeters. Another important step is to use the remaining lemon. Cut the lemon and use it to rub the entire flower branch, especially the base. This gentle acid layer both disinfects and stimulates the stem cells of the branch to work strongly, preparing for the root formation process. Then, immediately soak the rose branch in the lemon tomato mixture for about 15 minutes. When enough time has passed, take the branch out. Stir the mixture again and filter out the pulp, keeping only the clear solution. To increase the effectiveness, squeeze all the remaining lemon juice into this solution and stir well. This is the root nutrient that is extremely rich in vitamins, organic acids, and minerals. Next, prepare a clean plastic cup filled with treated river sand. Insert the flower stem into the middle of the cup, so that the base of the stem is deeply submerged in the sand. Then, pour the lemon tomato solution into the cup, just enough to keep the substrate moist without flooding. Sand helps drain water well, while creating an airy environment, very suitable for the formation of young roots. To maintain humidity and limit the impact of insects or strong winds. Use a transparent plastic bag to cover the mouth of the cup. Then place the cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. And now, let's wait for the miracle. After about 10 days, you will see green shoots emerging from the dormant buds. The tree trunk becomes plumper and stronger. At the same time, the smooth, white root system begins to grow thickly around the base, firmly clinging to the sand layer. This is a sign of great success. When the roots are healthy, you can gently transfer the plant to a new part with a well-drained substrate, ideally a mixture of processed coconut fibre. So, with just lemon and tomato, to simple ingredients, we have created a magic water formula to help propagate roses simply and effectively. No need for expensive chemicals, No need for complicated techniques. You can completely grow brilliant rose bushes yourself. If you find this method useful, try it at home and share your experience. Who knows? You might be surprised by the results that these familiar ingredients bring. And don't forget, there are many great tips for caring for roses waiting for you to discover in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again.